Welcome back to the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Today I am in Vegas, baby. I found a pretty nice hotel I wanted to share with you. They get 4.2 out of 5 stars on Google. The prices are quite reasonable. It's only about 2 miles from the Strip, which it is walking distance, but in this heat, it's maybe not so much. But let's go in the lobby here and show you exactly what I'm talking about. The lobby was quite nice. I've actually stayed in some hotels recently that kind of almost ruined my vacation experience, and so when I find a good one, I definitely want to bring it to your attention. But as you can see, the lobby is quite nice. Everybody's checking in, everybody's checking out. So first thing I wanted to bring to your attention is that they do have free parking. There's 2 parking garages, and this is quite beneficial. I was here for 10 nights actually, so I loved being able to go in and out without being charged for it. Alright, this is how I typically start my day. Run down to Brass Fork, talk to my friend Desiree, get a coffee and a cinnamon roll. This place actually has quite a few restaurants, some that I enjoyed, some not so much, but this place here has great service. They've got some delicious pastries that I'll highlight here for you in a second. There's the cinnamon rolls I would get. I typically eat pretty healthy, but I'm on vacation. And then they've got this amazing carrot cake that sometimes I would get for dessert. Look at that. And I really wanted a slice of this chocolate cake, but I've been resisting the temptation. Alright, and then after I would get my coffee, I would typically hit the gym. They've got a fairly nice fitness center with weights and treadmills and a couple of TVs. It was perfect for my needs. Then what I would do is run on down to the pool, because it's been 109 degrees here almost all week. And I do have an insider tip for you. With the help of my Canadian friends Paul and Sherilyn, we've discovered a little insider tip. I won't tell you much more than that, other than it does have something to do with the pool. The pool area was amazing. They've got a hot tub, they've got umbrellas, they got a nice bar area. It is so hot here in Vegas that you really can't call it a hot tub when the air temperature is 109 and the water temperature is 104. But I really like the pool area. I spent every day down there. So, all right. And then typically in the afternoon, what I like to do is head up to the movie theater, but not to watch a movie, but instead, I'll show you here in a second. In this day and age, I really don't know how movie theaters survive when you can get movies on Hulu, and who's going to pay $15? But anyway, they've got a nice nice bar area, nice restaurant area. You can play darts. They actually had an awesome playlist up here. The music is amazing. They've got a pool table, which my dad would enjoy for sure. I saw people ordering pizzas out of here, which is my weakness. But this is what I come up here for. They've got this outdoor patio that is so nice. It's shaded, which is nice because the temperature's been so hot, but I'll give you a little bit better look of the outdoor patio. It's my favorite spot. Oh man, they got amazing music. There was almost nobody out here when I was there anyway, so I would just bring in Vegas you can carry your drinks around, so I would just grab a seltzer from the room, a hard seltzer, and sit here for a while to kind of get the night started. But anyway, this place has tons of restaurants. The Feast Buffet was not quite open yet. They appeared to be doing some renovations, but which is probably a good thing because I don't need to be eating at the buffet. So let me highlight some of these restaurants for you. There's 2 down here. One on the left is Tailgate Social, and the one on the right is Boathouse. So I went to happy hour at Tailgate Social and had a great time. The waitresses are beautiful and fun and flirty. The happy hour specials are quite nice. They got a really good margarita. I did stop into the Boathouse quickly, but I just got a weird vibe, so I actually didn't even order a drink. There was really nobody in there, and it seemed a bit pricey. But so here's a little closer view of the Tailgate Social. They don't open till 4 o'clock, so be aware of that. And they got tons of TVs. And then here's the Boathouse. It's a really nice looking place. There was nobody in there, so I kind of walked in and walked out. But those are two cool spots you'll be sure to hit once you visit. All right, now we got tacos and tequila. They've got a really good happy hour special. They do buy one get one margaritas during their happy hour, and half off appetizers. So we got a tequila place, Panda Express, and then the Wingstop. I'll give you a little bit closer view. I had a good experience at the tacos and tequila. Their margaritas are amazing. Their burritos are amazing. Panda Express, I ate there a couple times. I actually loved it. Wingstop, I wasn't impressed. Service was subpar. The wings were honestly not that great. Maybe if I dipped them in ranch, they would have been better. But, all right, so then this Oyster bar. They always had a 30-minute wait. No matter what time of the day, you'll see there's a line over here to the left. And for whatever reason, it's a small place, as you can see, but they always had a line. And I asked people how long they were waiting, and it was typically 30 minutes. Then you can also see here is the charcoal room. This is kind of a high-end place. Probably a little bit too pricey for my taste, but it did look really nice. And I don't think they open till 4 o'clock either. All right, what do we got next? Oh, the bingo hall. Oh my gosh, I tried playing bingo one night. They called the numbers so fast, I couldn't keep up. It was a good experience, though, and it actually is quite nice, as you can see. I think they do every 2 hours. All right, and then the gift shop. They've got, you can buy beer and hard seltzers and all kinds of cool stuff here. It's a nice perk if you just need to grab something quickly and don't want to leave the hotel. What do we got next? Oh, Starbucks. I put them towards the end of the video because I'm not a fan. Horrible service, horrible product. It is what it is. All right, Business Center. I didn't use this either, but it's nice to know that you can come up and print stuff off if you needed to. And then, I had to show you this because the clean restrooms. I love a clean restroom, man. I used to own a coffee shop, and I always made sure the restrooms were clean. But I wanted to show you that really quickly because that's kind of important, especially if you ate at the buffet the night before. All right, what do we got? Oh, this is where you can bet on horses and basketball games. I'm not big into gambling, but I did want to show you that they've got a nice little area for that. But that's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. We will see you next time.